We have two objectives in our fintech strategy. The first, of course, is to earn an attractive return on the capital that we've invested. As importantly is the goal of helping our existing financial service businesses transform their models. So what we've done is created an active engagement model between the fintech companies in our portfolio and the incumbent businesses so that they can learn, adopt, and integrate new technologies and understand how these disruptive business models are going to affect their current businesses. So I'll give you a few examples of what we're doing in fintech. Wealthsimple is one of the largest and fastest growing fintechs in the country, provides digital investment management, commission-free trading, and high-interest savings accounts to its clients. It has attracted, in just a few short years, over 100,000 customers. It's got more than $3.4 billion in assets under administration. And it is principally focused in Canada, but also has some smaller activity starting in the United States and in the United Kingdom. Portage 3, that's our group's venture capital fund focusing on fintech. And it's investing in promising technology companies, creating a whole fintech ecosystem to get the companies to share insights, and it also leverages the collective distribution power of our group companies. So to date, Portage 3 has invested in more than 35 fintech companies and 14 different investment funds. And of these, roughly half are outside of Canada. And they're focused on verticals that are of interest to the companies in which we operate. So it'd be insurance, asset management, wealth management, areas where we are operating. They are investing to see where technology is taking the business models of the future. In addition to Portage, we have Diagram. Diagram is a Canadian-based fintech launchpad. It's really a fintech venture builder, and it supports the creation of the next generation of financial companies and insurance companies. Diagram combines venture capital, support, and the advantages of being associated with large incumbents into a very entrepreneurial-friendly model. So I mentioned Dialogue earlier, the phone application where you can get on the phone and have a doctor or have a nurse within a short period of time and deal with you online. That was right out of Diagram. That was one of the 5 companies that they founded so far. And that one had such application that Great-West Life jumped on it and is distributing it. But it's not just Great-West Life. Dialogue is actually going direct to consumer and is also going to be partnering with other insurance companies to distribute its products. So fintech companies working with our mainstream companies to make everybody prosper going forward. In addition, in fintech, IGM Financial has invested in Personal Capital. It owns about 23% of Personal Capital. Personal Capital is a Denver-based U.S. digital wealth advisor with salaried advisors coupled with incredible technology to provide an amazing digital and advised service at a much lower cost than traditional financial advisors. It is just under $9 billion US in assets under management right now. It is led by a market-leading and experienced team with a long track record in financial services, and it's been growing rapidly in both the mass affluent and the high net worth investor segments of the market. So very interesting investment, and we are the largest investor and the only strategic investor in Personal Capital.